Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you love a hot cup of tea? I know I do. It is so comforting, especially on a cold day. This one is by Avocado Leaf Tea. I'm really liking this. It has a really nice earthy flavor. This is the black tea blend because I like to have a little bit of caffeine for a pick me up, but they have several other flavors or just plain avocado leaves. It has a really nice earthy flavor and it comes in those beautiful pyramid sachet bags, which I think are extra cute. What's nice is you can brew each tea bag twice. So after my first cup in the morning, if I'm still not feeling the day, I can use the same tea bag and brew a second cup. Or in the afternoon, I can brew a second cup, add some ice, and I have a nice cup of iced tea. Either way, this tea is delicious. I usually don't even add sweetener to it because I really like the flavor of this tea. I really appreciate the little containers it comes in. They're cute little canisters that hold all of the tea and keep it fresh. If you're looking to try some new flavor of tea, I really recommend this. It is so good. But that's just my point of view.